Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use a VPN to access Netflix US library from anywhere around the world so you don't miss out on all the amazing content available on Netflix US. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point you'd like to give any of the mentioned VPNs a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. For starters, America has one of the largest Netflix libraries with over 5,800 titles, and Canada holds a title for the largest movie library with over 4,000 films. So in order to join the fun, you need the help of a trusty VPN. Now, by using a VPN, you can connect to a server located in the US, and once connected, you can easily access the exclusive US Netflix library. Also, you don't need a separate account, as your current Netflix account will work for all libraries. Content available on Netflix is determined by the location of your device, which is why VPNs are highly effective in this regard. Now, in order to access these libraries, you need to download a trusted VPN like ExpressVPN, download the software from the official site, log in with your credentials, and then choose a optimized server location in the US to connect to. Once you're connected, it will seem like you are streaming shows from the United States, and you'll be able to see Netflix US exclusive shows. You can also connect to servers all around the world by using the same process to access other countries' libraries, like Japan, for example. Now, it's important to note that this process might not work for most free VPNs, and in some cases, accessing streaming sites may only be available through their paid plan. Free VPNs also come with a degree of risk, and they might not have as many optimized servers like other premium plans. So in this case, I highly recommend using premium VPN services like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. And that's because they offer way more security features than free VPNs, as well as having optimized servers specifically for streaming. So in order to make the search easier for you, I've made a list of my top 3 VPN picks to get the job done. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch. They're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, and that's why these are my favorite 3, but depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Now, starting with ExpressVPN, and this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN, and it has the most verified no logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest level of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as a threat protection which blocks ads, malware within websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance, and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account, so it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. You still get some bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're looking to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a large family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these are definitely the best in the business. Express is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those who are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Then NordVPN is a well-rounded, high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as a strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. But if you encounter any trouble in this process, try to clear the cache and cookies of your web browser and the Netflix app. Also, try to connect to different servers of the same region from your VPN provider. Restarting the app or web page may also help. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.